What's up, everybody? This is DJ Rickey Ricardo coming at you again with another video. This time not about music, but I'm making an energy drink, a traditional energy drink that we drink in Jamaica called peanut punch. So basically, for my energy drink we're gonna need Guinness, vanilla, you have oats, allspice, you're gonna need nutmeg, some condensed milk, nutriment that I'm substituting that would ensure, some cinnamon, and some peanuts. Okay, and I'm gonna blend them up together. Now this drink here is gonna give you enough energy so you can go to the gym and do endurance. And I'm telling you people, this shit works. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna put in the ingredients. I'm adding in, excuse my French. I'm adding in the oats, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 pack of peanuts, 1 big scoop of sweetened condensed milk, 1 bottle of Ensure. You're gonna use your own judgment of some vanilla, or you can put probably 2 teaspoons. That's it. Just a little bit because it's strong. Last but not least, the main ingredient, some Guinness stout. Alright. I'm gonna shake it up. Then we're gonna blend it up for about a minute. And there you have it, guys. Some Jamaican peanut punch. Cheers. Yeah, man.